Hello guys, it's me Animal Master here, and today we are playing a game called Break-In for the Egg Hunt 2020. So as you see, I'm stuck in the loading screen, and stuff are going on in the background, and I can't do anything about it. It sucks. I hope this thing can load quicker, because I think I should be done right about now. See? She has fallen. This is the first day and I'm still in this loading screen. Oh, now this is the pizza area. And I'm still loading. Finally! I am in the first day. I missed a whole day because of this loading screen. Alright. Okay, I need to get that apple. It's going to be useful for survival. Oh, you guys finished the pizza. Okay, I managed to get pizza, but not holding that. Okay, so we got an apple. We need 2 Bloxy Colas. Or maybe 3 Bloxy Colas. So this game, the name of the game is to survive the night, and you have like something called energy. And if you lose that energy, then you're basically dead. Energy gets lost if you get hit, or you don't eat, or you don't go to sleep. And now I'm lagging. Thank you, game. Yeah, now they're gonna tell you some stuff about the game right about now. Emergency broadcast. The purge has begun. Villains on the loose. Villains destroy Roblox games. Destroying Roblox games. Extremely dangerous. Keep doors locked and windows closed. Their leader. Scary Larry. So this is not part of the egg hunt, but I do want to go through this day, just so you know, so I can get used to the game. Because I did go pretty far the first time I played this game, but you know. Oh, let me get that Bloxy Cola. Could be useful. Oh man, I'm gonna get that later. I gotta go to bed. There's a lot of people, or I'm basically screwed. Oh, my bed's in the other corner. I gotta go. Yo! That is so unfair! It's just me and someone else who's not even here. Okay, they're here. So I'm gonna have to protect this dude. Because so basically you have 2 roles. You have the adult and the kid. For a while the kids don't get weapons, so the adults, which is the role I am at, has to protect them. And let's see, yes, we get attacked. There, he's down. Oh, I didn't finish him off. Okay, we lived. So it basically goes like that. Let's see if anyone have fallen, because I don't. The green was attacked. Did anyone die? Everyone survived. We're all good. Now the next mission is we gotta close these windows because we're about to get attacked if we're not lucky. Now that guy that you just saw out the window, he's part of the Bloxy hunt, but we can't access it until we get through like 5 days. Because one of the missions would be to the area is boarded. Is this boarded up? Yeah. You gotta go through this whole thing. So if you're ever gonna play this game and you got the 5 ice cubes, you still have to go through this day, and then you can actually go through the portal. We did not collect 5, so yeah, I'm gonna have to make that into a separate video where we show the events of that. But yeah, we're gonna board all this up. So yeah, this episode's just gonna be just pure gameplay. The next episode's just gonna be something completely different. It's just gonna be what do you call it? The egg hunt area. You're still gonna see this scene in the other one because that's important for a tutorial. But yeah, let's board it. You need more boards. Wow, no one did not do the first floor. You do not have time for this. Okay, we got that done. We should get a lot of these things done. Let's see this room. This room is cleared. Forgot I did that recently. Okay, so we have an egg and an apple. An egg. A pizza and an apple. I need more pizza because, my bad, more apples because I want to try and make something. Because apparently you can cook, and like I said, you need stamina, so cooking's important. But, yeah. So I'm not going to use this pizza yet. Is there any room that needs to be locked? Nope, we did a great job, right? You're going to say good? We did a great job. So that should help us survive more. Now let me get my blocks of coal. Alright, there we go. So now all we need is another block of coal and we can make an apple pie apparently. Wow, it got late fast. There are 3 pieces of pizza. Basically, random people are going to get pizza slices. It's purely random, depending on who's on the table. So I got basically a 3 out of 6 chance of getting a pizza. Basically 50-50. Because there's only 3 people. Okay, now I have a less chance. But whatever. Let's see who this pizza goes to. And who does it go to? Me! Yes! I get another pizza. So let's see, I need 3 apples. Not 2, I need 3 apples. Alright, I'm gonna make it clear. Okay, we need to go, where is the light coming from? They are outside. Oh, they were the creators of iceberg. We have to hope that the borders will be good enough. Okay, I gotta. Okay, that one's gonna be a hard thing to take out. Where's my bed? My bed's in green room. Do I have? Okay, I have a higher chance of surviving with these guys. Yeah, going to sleep means more energy. So good thing we do. For whatever reason you're late, you're not going to get energy. So you got to be careful. And we're attacked. It's so dark, I can't see. This is bad. Okay, we didn't get attacked, I don't think. Let's go. Oh, okay. I get that. They couldn't break us through ours because we had a little good protection, I think. But they could break out. I guess we're just safe. The blue room was attacked last night. Everyone survived. How about pink room? Yeah. We should be getting blocks of colas now. Which I need 2 more to cook pie. See? They will break. Ooh, I can get that thing now. Yeah, we're gonna do the basement and then hopefully I can get enough for the event next time. But maybe just gonna, this looks like a 2-parter. So yeah. Okay, so whoever the dude's name is, he's gonna come, and if we do not hide, he's gonna like basically one-shot us. You're gonna notice him. There's Crazy Larry, or Silly Larry, I don't know his name. If we get found, we dead. And you gotta be careful for this dude. I don't know how I'm gonna upload the second part to this. We have to do this with a different amount of people because I don't think I can do this. The thing I have right now. That depends on how everything runs. Ooh, someone died. They should have hid. They should have hid. He has gone upstairs. He has gone. Okay, we gotta go to the basement right about now. We're gonna be attacked like crazy. We're gonna have to go. I don't even remember where the basement is. It's right here. Now it's gonna be a survival. Okay, now we're gonna get this apple because I want one. Okay, so we can't get that apple. Ooh, okay, I didn't see that. So, I'm gonna have to stand right here because I know they're gonna be over there. See? It's basically it. You gotta defend the basement. There's gonna be like two of them, I know that for sure. Attack! We're gonna win this for sure. Okay, that money's gonna be needed for food later on. Which I didn't know that because I was trying to get the event last time. Another wave's coming. we toppled that man. Where's my money? Oh my god, I hate advertisements. That's gonna ruin the game. Oh my god, I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh my god, this thing's not gonna go away in a second. Yeah. So only 3 people can go on these beds from what it's saying. And I don't really need to go to bed, so yeah, I think I'm fine. But it depends on how many beds are left. I'm gonna get that money. But I never knew how to get it. Can't go that way. I guess I'll just take the bed since no one's taking it. Probably if I don't need to, this second one's going to be without audio. But that may lag the game really hard. It depends. Because, man, uploading this software takes forever. Okay, so now we're free to go out of the basement. Now, since this is broken, I'm going to go get some ice cubes very quick. Should be a lot. Now I am going to go for, where is the grocery store? The grocery store's over there.